Hello friends, today we are going to learn different types of holes in SolidWorks 2024. So here you can see our large plate, okay, which have a dimension of 185 by 185 mm, and there are different holes you can see here. Okay, so this one hole is a we have denoted it with a balloon one. Okay, so it is a simple hole. So with a 9, it is also simple hole. Here you can see we have taken this as a uh, tapping hole, as it is a not cir full circle and then three-quarter circle, so it is a symbol of a tapping, so it is a tapping hole. Okay, there are also two types of holes which are uh, counterbore and countersunk. We will going to uh, teach you how to use those counterbore, or we can also take another example of counterbores or another example of bolts where you can see different sizes of here you can going to see high. Yes, so you can see this. Okay, so here you can see different types of holes. Here different types of sizes of holes you can see. Here also M8 tapping, you can see 6.8 M8 tapping. This is 19 mm hole and this is 130 mm through hole. Okay, so here we will go. First we will, what we will do, we will first draw a simple plate here. Okay, so I will go to extrude here and then click on front plane. Then I will click on our length, 320. Okay, so it is equal now. So we have to, this is expanding on one sided, we have to make it symmetric. So we will make it symmetric by clicking on, we will take distance 10 mm. You can see here we have given 10. Then I will say finish and then say cancel. Okay, so here we will go now to hole command. We have to go to hole. Here you can see hole. Okay, so click on hole, then make the part isometric here. Okay, so here by clicking on options you will get this window pop up. So you can see here, this is for a simple hole, this is for threaded hole, we can also say it as tapping. This is for counter bore, this is for countersunk. Okay, so we always use isometric. If you are going to use it in a different uh, standard, so you also can use ANSI inch, ANSI metric, DIN metric, or JIS metric. Okay, so isometric we will take. So here we have 1 2 3 4, we have a 6.6 mm through hole. So for 6.6 mm through hole, we can directly take from drill sizes. You can go here and you can select from 6.6 here. Okay, or you can also go to general screw clearance, as it is for M6, then it will only uh, let pass M6 bolt through it. So 6.6, you can see here 6.6, or also you can go to our drill sizes. Okay, so 6.6 here. Then here are various conditions. This is for through all, this is for through next, this is from to extent, and this is for finite extent. If you want to uh, if you have a plate thickness of 20, and if you have to give only 10 mm hole through that block or plate, then you have to use this finite extent. Okay, so we will click on through next as we want it through, or you can also use through all. Okay, then say okay, then click on this plate or face, then you can see here. Okay, so always if your holes are in the same line, then always try to keep these holes in a one line only. You can see here like this and like this. Okay, these are center to center mesh. Now if you want to give dimension, as it is from X, it is 11.5 from X, and for Y it is 15. Go to smart dimension. Okay, click on this. This is 11.5. Again this is 50. Give an enter. Then the second hole will be of from this to this is 165. You can see 165 from this, and this, to give it from 1 to 2, we have to minus 15 from 165. We will minus it. -65. Okay, again we have to give 308 minus 11.5. 308.5 minus 11.5. You can directly give this. Okay, so it will directly calculate and make your, and you can see now our don't have to give dimension to this last row. Okay, so that's how this relation makes it simple. And if you want to delete this, and again you have to by chance you will miss that. Okay, so you can again delete this and give by going here horizontal and vertical, then click on this center of this hole and this center of this hole. Okay, then right click to again select, then center of this hole and center of this hole. That's how you are going to give. Okay, then close the sketch. Okay, so finish. Okay, so your holes are ready. Now I want to give these holes of a M8. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see here. So I will again go to options, then this window will pop up. Now I will select this threaded hole. Okay, I will click on threaded. Now here are different types of threads, so I have to give a mat here. Okay, so now again I have to make it through all, so again I will go to through all, then the thread extent. Okay, so I will select this here tab drill diameter, and now I will give thread extent to hole extent. Okay, up uh, whatever will be thickness of hole, I want thread up to that thickness. Okay, so that's why I am selecting this hole extent. Okay, somewhere you have to select it finite extent also. We will take that into next video also. Okay, so here you can see the pitch is 1.25, which is standard. Say okay. Now again click on this face. Okay, so now here is your, it will, if you move, you can see it is automatically taking the relationship. Okay, with center and the love you can look. Okay, so I will not give dimension to this, you can give dimension as per you want. Okay, so this is okay. Now you can see these are threaded holes. Okay, now we will go for the counter bore. Okay, again I will go to hole here, we'll go to options. Now I will go to counter bore here, so isometric, and for Indian purpose we always select socket head 4762. You can also select as per your convenient, or you the type of socket head bolt you are going to use, or shoulder screw, cheese head screw, pan head, or hex head. Okay, but for socket head I'm going to use 4762 M8, which will be, I will be use normal. Okay, so here 9. Okay, so I will make it through next, say okay. Okay, so here I will be, okay, okay, so you can see these are our socket head. Okay, so now I will again give a type of countersink. Here also you can see various types of countersink. Socket head flat 10642, it is standard, so isometric standard. For we will take for M10 here socket head. Okay, this is countersunk. You can see here a angle angle of 90-degree for hole here. Okay, so now we will say here normal. Okay, say okay, and then here, here, and here I will give. Okay, so now you can see we have given a CSK holes in these plates. Okay, so these are various types of holes, friends. So okay, so that's how we are going to use normal hole, threaded hole, socket head, and counter bore, and CSK holes. Okay, countersunk holes. Again, so this is how we are going to use different type of sub holes in Solid Edge 2024. Okay, friends. If you like this video informative, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.